Hi, my name's Kylie from Little Moo Designs. Thank you so much for joining me. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how I make an adjustable strap. This strap is for my new pattern, the Sidekick Hip Bag. To make your strap, you're going to need a finished strap. You're going to need two swivel clips, and one strap adjuster. There's a couple of different ways to make your adjustable strap, so I will talk you through two options today. So first of all, we're going to take one of our strap ends, thread it through the swivel, fold it over 1 inch, and just put a pin or a clip to hold in place, and you would stitch along that pinned edge there. So that's one side done. Next, take your other side, grab your strap adjuster, push the end of the strap up over the bar, like so, back down again, so it looks like this. Take the other swivel clip and put it over the end like so. You need to push your fabric out like so. Just make sure I do this the right way or it won't slide. So I'm coming back up over the bar, looping that free end back up over the bar and down again. And I'm going to put a pin here. Can you see that? I'll just do it again. So we've got up over the bar like so. Add your swivel clip. Bring the free edge back up over the bar. And back down again. And the trick here is it attaches here where the swivel is, not to this edge, otherwise it won't adjust. So I'll just put a pin where this pin is where I would stitch, and just through those layers, okay? So you can see now that adjusts. If I pin that edge back to here, it won't adjust. So that's method 1. I'll now show you method 2. This is method 2. Take your strap adjuster, thread one end like so, just over 1 bar, and you're going to pin and stitch where the pin is through those layers. You're then going to take one of the swivels and thread it on the other unsewn edge all the way along. Now thread that edge over the middle bar of the strap adjuster. You've now created the way that this one is going to adjust. So we've done one side there. On this free end, you just put the other swivel, fold it over, pin, and then stitch. Either way works really well. It's just a matter of preference and what you like. I hope you find that helpful. Have a great day. Bye.